Hey everybody, it's Wednesday and we have a great workout for you today. Today we're going to be starting with 4 rounds of a 30-second side plank on your left side, moving right into a 30-second side plank on your right side, moving into 30 seconds of half squats. So you would start at the bottom of your squat here, come up halfway, down halfway, halfway, halfway. So from the bottom to halfway for 30 seconds, and then you've got 30 seconds of a squat hold. Four rounds of that, side plank left, side plank right, half squats, squat hold. That should take you 8 minutes all the way through, and then we're going to move on to the second part, which is a 15 minutes, 15-minute AMRAP of 30 step-ups. Switch legs every time. If you don't have something to step up to, you can switch to lunges on this one. Then we've got 30 Sit-Thrus. That would be 15 each side. Hands and feet pretty close together. Slide one leg through, back to the middle, slide the other. 15 per side. Then we move on to 15 burpees. You can scale those to up downs if you'd like. And then a 40-second squat hold. Try to hold at parallel. 40-second tabletop hold. Raise your hips, look to the ceiling, open the chest. And 40 seconds of jump rope or jumping jacks, your choice. So to repeat that again, 15 minutes, as many rounds as possible, 30 step-ups, 30 Sit-Thrus, 15 burpees, 40-second squat hold, 40-second tabletop hold, and a 40 seconds of jump rope. I'll put it in the notes, that's a lot to remember. And then we're going to finish off with 2 sets of max dumbbell curls, alternating, and dumbbell press. 1 minute each for 2 rounds. Okay, have a great workout. There's a lot to do today. We'll see you tomorrow for another one.